Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got my Walmart grocery haul. This haul was $125. I'm going to start on this side and work my way to the left. So we've been loving the Great Value chips, you guys know. So I got the sour cream and onion. We're having a couple friends over this weekend, so I needed just some little chips to put out. I also got our usual white corn tortilla chips in the lower sodium. I think these were both 92 cents a piece, each bag. I've been obsessed with these lately, ever since I discovered them in that freebie from Boxed.com. So Boxed has a variety pack which comes with these, Parmesan, and the yogurt crisps. I've tried all three and I actually really like all of them. My favorite is the Parmesan, but my Walmart has been out of stock, so these are my second favorite, the white cheddar cheese stars. So I did get two. I tried to stock up a little bit more this week because we're getting ready to start preparing for vacation next week, and then we fly out. By the time you guys see this, we leave in like a week. So, sorry guys, had a quick phone call. But anyways, definitely check these out. I think I was saying I'm trying to stock up a little bit more because we're getting in that preparation mode now. Okay, moving on. I got these rolled gold cheddar pretzels. My son specifically asked me for them, and he goes on and off these. Like maybe he'll want them every few months, so I got them and we like them as well. I got a couple of the plum organic applesauce strawberry banana. Grady likes this one a lot. His favorite is the Peter Rabbit strawberry banana pouches, but they're really hard to come by. You have to order them online. So I got 2 boxes of those. I got Grady's low sugar. I think these are low sugar, maybe not. Oh, I got the wrong ones. Well, I'm gonna have to return these, but Grady likes these, but in the low sugar, so I'm gonna have to return these and get the low sugar. I also got some Oreo minis for Matt and I. I got some of the Skinny Cow cinnamon Snickerdoodle ice cream sandwiches. I got the mint ones, the mint chocolate ones last week, and they were really good. I had one, my mom had one when she was here, Matt's had a couple. And these are like a low-fat treat. These are 160 calories and 2 grams of fat per sandwich. And they're just really good. They actually don't taste low-fat. So it's a little bit of like a guilty pleasure to have something frozen like this at night. Moving forward, I got the White Claw hard seltzer. I have never tried this. I am not a seltzer fan, but I got this because we have friends coming over this weekend, and this is specifically what they drink. So I thought I would get this as a nice gesture, and whatever's left, if Matt doesn't want it, I'll give it to my mom because she likes anything seltzer related. So I grabbed that. I got some yellow squash, some tomatoes, another package of romaine. We've been going through a ton of it. Some tricolor peppers, some green peppers, and some zucchini because we are in grilling season, and these are all things I like to throw on the barbecue grill. I also got 3 plain bagels for my son. He's been asking me for plain bagels for breakfast, so I got 3. I can throw whatever I need to in the freezer if he doesn't want one every day, or whatever. Bagels freeze really well, so I got those. I got some mini naan to do little pizzas on the grill as well. I got a big bag of Blue Diamond almonds in the bold habanero barbecue flavor. I also got the bold wasabi and soy. I got one of these a couple weeks ago and tore through the bag, Matt and I. They're really good. So I got those 2, and they should last, I would think, until after we're back from vacation. This is a coconut water based like juice that I found that I really like. This is the mango tangerine coconut water flavored organic juice. There's no high fructose corn syrup or artificial sweeteners. It has 40% less sugar, and I actually really like these. So I bought these for Matt and I to take to work, or obviously for Grady if we're home. I just like trying different juice things, so I grabbed those. And cat food for the cat. I wanted to stock up since we're going to be on vacation, and my brother or my sister is going to come over and feed the cat. A gallon of water for the coffee maker. I got some elbow noodles, some tricolor rotini noodles. I use this specifically for pasta salad. And my Barilla is my preferred pasta brand, but Barilla does not make this variation. So I get the Great Value, and this is really good for pasta salad, this specific one, because these little ridges here hold the dressing really well and the fresh herbs really well. So I got those. These 2 for pasta salad, this just for regular cooking. I grabbed some New York garlic breadsticks if we have an Italian dinner. I got some more of the square snack bags. I am loving these, and I went and got the bigger box this time because I know that I love them. I grabbed a International Delight Caramel Macchiato sugar-free creamer. My Walmart brand creamers for sugar-free only had French vanilla in stock, and I'm not a huge French vanilla fan, so I went with this one because lately I've been into sugar-free creamers. I actually like them better because I don't have to add any additional sugar to my coffee, so I'm liking those. I also got another of the Panera Bread at home dressings. I got the Balsamic Vinaigrette. This one is a low sodium, and I'm very excited for this. I love trying new salad dressings. I got 2 large packages of chicken wings. Pretty good price. Each of these was $5 and change. So I got 2 of them because we're going to grill these with our friends when they come over on Sunday. I got some large black olives, some jumbo black olives. Matt likes these for snacking. We like them on salads, pasta salads. We just love olives, so I got 2 of those. Grady needed some new shorter socks because now that we're getting into spring, into summer, he just likes the shorter ones for the warmer time of months. This brand I really like for socks. They're the Athletic Works brand. They were like $5 and you get 6 pair, and he is now a size 4 shoe. He is catching up to me, so I got those for him for spring and summer. And then I got the Great Value cheese mini deep dish pizzas. We all like these. Grady just takes the cheese off of his, and then Matt and I like to have these every once in a while, like on a weekend for lunch. So I think that's everything, guys. I'm not sure if I missed anything, but this is a haul for the week. Let me go ahead now and show you my meal plan for next week. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. So Sunday the 14th, we are having friends over for dinner. We're going to do wings on the grill. I've got to marinate them Saturday. And then I think I'm going to do maybe veggie skewers or some kind of sauteed veggies on the grill. We have one of those grill pans that you can just line with foil and grill veggies or fruit or anything you like. And then if I have time Sunday morning, I'm going to make some pasta salad. I have to do my normal food and meal prep, so hopefully I can squeeze that in to have with dinner. One night we're going to do breakfast, and we're going to have pancakes, sausage, and fruit. I'll just pick up fruit or figure out what fruit I need to use up that night. I'm going to do a roast pork loin, which I have in the freezer. The pork loin, I have to marinate it, and then I'll roast that. I'll make some rice or potatoes on the side, and then I'll do salad or veggies. Next week, I'm going to do a no meat night, and I'm going to do a veggie quiche with salads, and I plan to use whatever quiche we have left over for my lunch the next day at work. And then I put a question here I put just crock pot because I might do a crock pot recipe depending on my morning, if I can get something in the crock pot before I bring Grady to school and go to work. If not, I'll do the creamy baked spaghetti. I do have a video on that. It's a super easy dinner, and I could assemble that maybe one night, one evening, and just put it in the fridge to pop in the oven. And I'll do some breadsticks and a salad with that. Saturday the 20th, which is the day before Easter, we're having Easter dinner at my in-laws' house. I just have a little note here to bring a pie. I'm going to pick up a pie from a local bakery that makes really good pie. So I'm going to bring a pie. And then, of course, as always, I have my freebie night where I can do leftovers, I can do breakfast, I can just freestyle it, whatever I want to do. And as always, guys, I always have a discount code for this. This is a Carrie L meal planner. My discount is permanent, and it's always in the description box because I still get questions on this planner. I absolutely love it, and mine is the smaller size. I call it the mini, but it's not labeled that on the website. It's just the smaller size one. I think it's more portable, and I can just bring it on the go a little bit easier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's haul and meal plan. I will see you on Monday with a new video. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.